everybody, it's me, Kayla from Walkie Talkie Speech Therapy. Thanks for tuning in again. Please subscribe, like, comment, let me know. It makes me feel so encouraged when I get likes and comments from you guys. It encourages me to keep making videos. I am offering phone consultation services. I am a California licensed speech therapist and I can do phone consultation with anybody in beautiful California. So you can set that up through the website. We're gonna play Tano. We're gonna talk. Talk so much. Okay, come on. Let's go in. You gonna go in? You wanna go in? In. Good saying. So I blocked off their access and then I let them in once I said in. In. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let me see. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Hello. Hello. Out. Out. You did it. What? Let's put the ball in. One, 2, 3. In. Come on. Hello. Thank you. In. So I'm modeling in and out are my main 2 words right now. I like hello. Like knock. Who's there? Playful and getting them excited and socialize if they're excited and being social, then they're more likely to learn words. Hello. Come out. Out. Oh, you like being in there now. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. You're in. Knock, 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 knock. Oh, hello. Oh, close. Open and close are great too. Knock, knock, knock. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You know, so we've done in and out. We've done open and close. Hello. Oh, close. Good saying. Okay. Close. Close. Knock, knock, knock. Oh, hello. Close. Okay. Close. Knock, 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 knock. Hello. So I'm doing a lot of pausing here to see if she'll say the words on her own. Knock, knock, knock. Hello. Close. Knock, knock, knock. Hello. Close. Good thing. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, that's you. So don't forget to subscribe so then you never miss out. And so how you do that is click that red subscribe button on your phone and click that bell because that bell is going to give you a notification. Hey, Kayla posted another video.